What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and it's your girl Jazz, and I'm back with another shoe banger. So guys, if you're interested in this video, make sure you guys keep watching this video. Get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you like this video and comment, you guys. Today I have the Yeezy 350 V2s Cinder, and guess what, y'all? They are reflective. So let me get right into this video, you guys, and open this box for you so you can see what's inside. And I can see what's inside because I have no idea. Well, I know what they look like, but I got these from GOAT, and I'm really upset though because honestly it's taking them maybe like a month to send these. I ordered these on what was this, April the 9th, and yeah, you guys, what is today? Today is what, what's today's day?
2,000 years later.
Today is the what? The 4th. And I'm just now getting these shoes, and y'all know I am what?
Hot.
Big hot. But you know, I mean, I understand the coronavirus situation, you know, so I'm not that upset, but I mean,
dang, can the sister get a discount or something since y'all took so long?
like, Jesus. Okay. Open these bad boys up. Oh. Yes, guys, I'm so excited. I'm always so excited when I get these shoes. I don't care. It's just like Christmas every time you open up a box of Yeezys. I don't care what anybody says. If they tell you different, they're lying. So, as usual, Yeezy Boost 350, made by Adidas. Adidas sign down there. In the size 7. And they are in the color Cinder Reflective. Go ahead and open these up. And I know a lot of people are saying that, you know, they look gray, they look black. So I'm going to actually be able, you know, to tell you guys if it's actually black or gray. And they actually do look gray. But they look black as well. Like, it's kind of weird. It's kind of, I don't know. Because, like, my shirt is black and you see it's kind of black, but it's still giving me like a charcoal black, charcoal gray color. But y'all see that reflective stripe popping. It's popping, y'all. And let's see what the stitching. This one is kind of different than the Desert Sage Yeezys. It's got the stitching going down the front instead of it like going on the inside. And then like the first 350 V2s, you know, they had that little crisscross thing going on, but these are actually just going down the middle in a straight line. And let's see, this sole right here is not, you know, translucent. Like, you can't see through it, so it's just that dark gray. And then you got the kind of peanut butter bottom with the boost. And then you got that little yellow pop of boost right there. And let's see, it's got the 3 stripes right here. And it's also reflective. And then on the inside, it's got Adidas Yeezy. So I actually love them. I mean, even though they're not like black, like black. But I still love them. Like, you can still get away with wearing it with something black because it's gonna go regardless. And then the strings are also, you know, that charcoal color as well. So I actually like them, you guys. I think they're great. I mean, I really do actually kind of like the regular Cinders, but I just love the reflective stripe. I don't know what it is. I mean, I know these are really hard to get, and they were hard to get because I did the raffle. And yeah, Adidas said, well, not Adidas, but I guess Yeezy Supply said, no, boo, you're not getting these today. So, and I haven't been hitting on any of the raffles lately. So I guess, you know, whatever. They hating on your girl, I guess. But so yeah, that's why I've been, you know, just pretty much going to GOAT. And yeah, these are nice. I really like these. And a lot of people say that, you know, they like the statics better, but I actually kind of like these because they're just kind of plain. So you guys, I'm going to show you what they look like on feet. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel. Make sure you like this video and make sure you comment, you guys. Because guess what? It ain't going to cost y'all a dime to subscribe. So please subscribe to my channel, you guys, so y'all can see whenever I have shoes.
Or when I beat this face, honey.
Or just anything, you guys. So make sure you guys subscribe. And keep watching.
Don't go nowhere.
Keep watching, okay?